Sitting on day in the sunshine that touched me with figures of love. I thought of the manifold blessing God stretches on earth from above, and they seemed, as I numbered them over, for more than we might or need, and all that we lack is angels to make earth a heaven indeed. The winter brings long, pleasant evenings. The spring brings a promise of flowers that summer spreads into fruitions, and autumn brings glad golden hours. The woodlands re-echo with music. The moonbeams answer the sea. There is sunlight and beauty about us, and the world is as fair as can be. But mortals are always clubbing, each on thinks his own and sad want, and forgetting the good things about him, goes mourning for those he has not, instead of the star-spangled heavens. We look on the dust at our feet. We bring out the cup that is bitter, forgetting the one that is sweet. We warn our ear the thrown in the flower, forgetting its odor and bloom. We pass by a garden of blossom, the weep or ear the dust of the tomb. There are blessings unearthed about us. Like the leaves of the forest, they grow, and the fruit is our own, not the keepers, that we have not eaten below.